LG Display brought a reclining curved OLED throne to CES. I'll take one. I'll take two. I love it. Now, I've played around with all these funky different types of chair the TV's too far, though. The screen is too far away.
They said that it's the perfect viewing distance.
Get out of here, man.
Based on science.
I can't see anything. I'm blind.
It's right in front of you.
No, maybe it is. I don't know. I can't really tell. It depends on the resolution, obviously. I mean, she looks very comfortable. Does the whole thing move? Can I recline in it? What can I do?
Yeah. So it reclines and the
this looks better
screen
now.
Does rotate.
This looks better now.
To the wide.
Yeah.
And it's a comfy spot.
They call it the media chair concept. So furniture, once again, evolving and changing to fit our new lives as content consumers 24/7. Sitting in front of a display. I guess you get some work done every so often. There aren't robotic massagers quite yet. The concept, though, does have a lot of vibration going on. Speakers in the chair, speaker in the form of an OLED panel itself, thanks to cinematic sound that vibrates the screen to produce audio. It's also featuring, as far as the display goes, 55-inch OLED panel with a 1500R curve. So the curved display lives on. And they say it's the perfect focal distance away from a person so they can get an optimal viewing experience. So they love it.
Yeah.
And it rotates portrait to landscape because you got to watch all those talks, all those shorts.
Right. Yeah.
All those TikToks and shorts.
Yeah.
You know?
It's a good time.
You don't call it talks.
I thought you were talking about TED Talks.
All those walkie-talkies. Okay, watch a TED Talk. I don't care.
Yeah. I'm down for that too.
Watch a talk show.
Do you like the singular version?
The singularity?
Sure. I figured that, if you want to be comfortable, wouldn't you want to have like a bigger seat? Maybe for like a partner or something?
Easy. Trying to put a partner in there? In the future there's no partners.
Oh, yeah.
Partners are dangerous, man.
Yeah.
You're alone in the future.
Only
plugged
in the metaverse.
Yeah, you're plugged in, man.
There you would have a partner.
Yeah, once you get into the display, the 1500R curve, there's a partner in there, all right?
Yeah, okay.
1500.
I hear you.
No, look, man. This is a design exercise. They're trying to make it as modern as possible because these type of chairs we've been sitting in, I mean, those are some Frankenstein-looking things.
Yeah, it hasn't really changed.
So they're trying to make it more, minimal. And I think they achieved it. I have to sit in it before I'm going to tell you. I mean, it doesn't even look like it has much cushion on the chair. So I got to sit in this thing. But
yeah, we should get one. There's no price for it just yet.
Right.
Although LG presented another chair in the form of an exercise bike. So this one is even more elaborate, in my opinion. It has the one-wheel cycle. And like a really long display. I guess it's supposed to be more surrounding.
Take a quick peek, Will, right around the waist area.
Oh, boy. You're not wearing a belt. Okay, I get it. Yeah. I mean, he's pretty slim, right? He doesn't need a belt. But he should wear one. Just saying. Yeah. I mean, this one's called Virtual Ride Concept.
That's cool. Look, hey man, that thing is cool.
Pretty immersive,
Will has
I
a
would
belt.
say.
He has a belt thing going on. So,
Yeah.
For anyone wondering, according to Will, if you got a jean on and you got a tuck in, then you have a belt. That's as far as I don't know if you want to
Automatically.
I don't know if you want to take style tips
Yeah.
from who you want to take style tips from, but Will's got a strong belt thing going on.
Yeah.